Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide a demo video for adverse drug effects detection with Python. Already with this dataset we have worked with some other machine learning algorithm, and in this work we are going to work with uh, naive-based machine learning algorithms. This data set I downloaded from Happy Faces and it was in some other format. We just converted into CSV. The conversion of that file, we just shared that video in this YouTube channel. So you can check over that. The data set consists of unnamed text and label. Here the text label is considered as the X variable and the label is considered as the Y variable. Here text you can see it is of object type. We are getting the info of the data. Here we are getting every others are integer, but this text is the object. But this we have to convert it into vector. In order to convert it, we are using the count vectorizer in this code. We are also checking whether our data set is having any null entries. It is not having any null entries. If it is having, means you have to move to any pre-processing steps, and then we are getting the shape of our data. We are also getting that within the label variable how many 0 instances and how many 1 instances are there, and then we are getting them in a plot. You can see this plot. Then we are making moving to train test split function by with the help of the X variable and Y variable, and by using this we are determining our X train, X test, Y train and Y test variable by using the test size of 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and remaining 80% will be moved for training. Then we are working with the count vectorizer to convert our string to vector. Then already we have worked with logistic regression and got an confusion matrix plot and then the precision classification report values and got an accuracy of 85%. Then we worked with support vector mission and we have plotted the confusion matrix and then got also the printed the classification report and got an accuracy of 88%. Then we worked with Catboost classifier and we have also plotted the confusion matrix and printed the classification report and got an accuracy of 85%. Then we worked with passive aggressive classifier and we have plotted and confusion matrix and printed the classification report and got an accuracy of 82%. Then we worked with random forest and have plotted the confusion matrix and printed the classification report and got an accuracy of 89%. In this work we are going to work with the naive base. As we will be saying every time, the only difference with every machine learning algorithms is the library. So initially we are importing the library which is needed for naive base. Here we are working with the multinomial naive base. Previously we tried with Gaussian naive base, but it is showing some our errors since we are using some text or it's not an array, since it's showing some errors though. So we work with multinomial naive base and then we have train or code and tested with the by using the train is done with the train algorithms and then with the testing variables. For training we have used the fit function and for testing we have used the predict function, and then we have determining the confusion matrix for the test variables only. So this is the confusion matrix for the test variable. When you may have noticed the size of the data set, there will be some vast difference between the size of the original data set and the confusion matrix we got. Why? Because we are determining the confusion matrix for the test labels only, and test labels has used only 20%. So 20% of this only will be shown in the confusion matrix, and then we have printing the classification report. With classification report also we are working with the test data only and we have got an accuracy of 82%. Then all the algorithms we have done so far, we have made and comparison by making a results variable and a models variable. Within the models variable we are calling all the algorithms we have have determined so far, such as logistic regression, support vector mission, Catboost, passive aggression, a random forest, and naive base. Then we are making an loop. Within the loop, we are training the model, testing the model, then determining the performance metrics like accuracy, mean square error, R2 square error, and then printing the training accuracy and testing accuracy of every models we have determined so far within the single cell. So every training accuracy and testing accuracy of every models will be determining over here. You can notice it. Then we have made a table comparison. Within this table comparison, we have made a highlighter that the model with the best accuracy will be shown with green color, and the model with the least accuracy will be shown with the red color. Here you can notice random forest is showing the best accuracy, and it is shown in a red color. Naive Bayes is the model with the least accuracy, and it is showing in red color. When after a random forest, this support vector mission takes the place. After comes the logistic regression, after is the Catboost, and next is the passive regression, finally is the naive Bayes. So this is the algorithm data for the algorithm. This is the drug effect defect detection code with the different machine learning algorithms. In the next code, we may a demo, we may work with some other machine learning algorithm and will make a comparison regarding it. Thank you.